In this tutorial, we learn about rotational blend. Let's start the tutorial. Firstly, select sketch option and then click on any surface, sketch view, now select a center line, then draw any sketch, give dimension, now OK. Then select rotational blend option and go for the sections option. Then select this internal CL option and click on this center line which we made, and now insert, again click on sketch, sketch view, now draw any other sketch. I choose circle, give any dimension, go for the divide option and divide the circle into 4 parts. And now click on OK. Rotation blend. So we can change the angle, this angle as we need, like 45, and then I change it in 30. So you can change according to need. Then now click on OK. So the rotational blend tutorial is complete. Keep sharing, like video, subscribe channel. Thank you.